welcome to day 6 at home learning. Happy that you are here today and excited to take a look at our activities. All right, let's begin with reading. We're going to choose a nonfiction book to read, or we're going to continue with one that we've been reading already. But today, as you read, you're going to ask yourself these questions and you're going to jot down the answers in your notebook. Okay, so the first question, who or what is this about? Second question, what is happening in this part specifically? And third, what have I learned so far as I'm reading? Okay, so make sure that you have those answers written down in your notebook as you're reading. And of course, if you finished reading your nonfiction book early, you're welcome to go ahead and read your fiction book as well. And today for writing, writers pay attention to one thing as they edit, specifically paragraphs. They make sure that every sentence inside the paragraph actually fits together. So today, I want you to look back at the work you've done so far. Would you say that your writing is organized? Are there any different parts and topics of your writing that is grouped into paragraphs? Does every sentence in that paragraph actually fit together and fit that topic? Would your writing actually make sense to your reader? You're going to mark places that need to be revised, and you're going to focus on those parts today. I know that sometimes writers get so excited about what they're writing. They write and write and write, and then they realize that it's all in one giant paragraph, which is not very easy for a reader to digest all of that information. Readers do better when it's broken up and all of the sentences fit together. Okay, so it's about one thing, and then we go to a new paragraph where it's slightly different. It's about something slightly different. So you need to look through pretty carefully, like a detective, looking at all of your sentences. Do they match the topic of that paragraph? And when you switch to a slightly different topic, you change that up into a new paragraph. So make sure that you're double checking that today. Okay, let's look at our math problem here. After you do your 1 or 2 lessons in Dreambox, we're going to look at this problem for today. So Juan and Ronaldo, each of them have a 4-digit number that contains these digits, 3, 7, 1, and 5. Now, the digits cannot be done more than one time, right? So there are not 2 3s or 2 7s. Each of those numbers is done one time, and they each have a 4-digit number they've created. Here's what we know. We know that Juan's number is larger. What could Juan and Ronaldo's numbers be? So you make up, this is the number that Juan's is, and this is the number that Ronaldo has. Now make sure Juan's number is actually larger. Now, after you have come up with that possibility, what are 2 other numbers that they could be? So, right, you're going to say, okay, this is Juan's number, this is Ronaldo's number. Now I want you to come up with a totally different scenario. Okay, this is Juan's new number, Ronaldo's new number, but make sure Juan's number is still larger. And then you're going to do it again, right? So see if you can come up with different scenarios to make that true, only using those digits. Don't forget to do today's movement, and you get to decide if it's an active kind of day where you want to be up dancing, or maybe it's a more lower intensity day and you've got some of the calming ones, the breathing and the stretching. I feel like those might be mine for today. And of course, don't forget to scroll down and take a look at today's choice board and pick some of these fun activities to do. Ooh, cooking. I think I might do that one today. All right, guys, hope you have an awesome day 6.